We are going to be tracking thunderstorms over the next several days, moving out of West Texas, getting close to Central Texas. It may not make it every single day, but we got to keep an eye on the dry line and little disturbances come across that. We get some thunderstorms to initiate in West Texas. Those start to push closer to Central Texas. Do they die out before they get here, or do they make it into the area? This will be something that we'll have to deal with over the next week or so. Rain chances, I do think we may be seeing this on Thursday, especially by the evening hours as thunderstorms try to move in from the west, and a lot of this will be along and west of I-35 the way it looks right now. We're just kind of broad brush things here Friday through Monday of next week at about 30%, 20% for Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, a couple of these days will be higher. One of these days may go to zero, as you have to know what happens the day before once you start getting these complexes to see how it affects the next day. So kind of a complicated forecast here. Our severe thunderstorm potential for Thursday showing that we do have a chance for a complex of thunderstorms to move in from the west. So that means our highest severe weather threat will be around Goldthwaite and San Saba. Storms will weaken as they approach the I-35 corridor, but still isolated severe weather, and then start to weaken altogether as they push east of I-35 by Thursday night into Friday morning. So let's check out what we are tracking here in our future track, showing that there will be some clouds around as we head into Thursday morning, but it'll be partly to mostly cloudy across the area. And most of Thursday is going to be just fine. There will be clouds moving across. This could hamper some of the daytime heating. So how much convection will move in from the west, we'll just have to wait and see. But there you go, by about 10, 11 o'clock. I do think this is a little too late. It'll probably be a little before this and then start to die out as it moves closer to I-35. Then Friday, we'll be watching for another complex of storms. I think by the evening hours, those could be rolling in from the northwest, dying out as they push across the area, but something to keep an eye on. And again, these models will change depending on what happens the day before. And so don't take that to the bank, because that is exactly what it'll look like. So tonight, temperatures will be into the low to mid 60s for you. Should be a mild night. And then we're looking at highs into the 80s with some cloud cover as we head into the afternoon hours on Thursday, and 82 degrees, 87 degrees on Friday, 87 on Saturday. So it does warm up here into the upper 80s. We may even get close to 90 as we head toward early next week. And again, chances for evening thunderstorms if they can make it out of West Texas all the way through next week.